Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix freezing in Valorant. Let's fix it guys. First step is to update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause freezing issues. To update that, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, just to close stuff here. The second step is to lower in-game graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings can help reduce the load on your system and prevent freezing. For that, you just need to open up Valorant and go to settings and go to video settings. And you just need to lower the settings such as resolution, texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. After doing it, let's move on to the third step, guys. The third step is to close unnecessary background programs. Background pro applications can consume system resources and cause freezing. To close that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to close unnecessary programs and processes running in the background. And after that, just to close stuff here. The fourth step is to disable full screen optimization. Full screen optimization can sometimes cause issues with the games. To do this, you just need to right click on the Valorant and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations. And then select apply and OK for save changes. The fifth step is to adjust power settings. Ensure your computer is set to high performance mode. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select hardware and sound. Select power options. You just need to select here high performance. If this is hidden, then you just need to click on this arrow icon, and if high performance is listed over here, then you just need to select it. After that, just to close up here. The sixth step is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows OS is up to date. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending updates listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. The seventh step is to disable overclocking. If you have overclocked your GPU or CPU, try reverting to default settings, as overclocking can cause instability. The eighth step is to adjust the virtual memory. Increasing virtual memory can help if your system is running low on RAM. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type here sysdm.cpl. Click on OK to open up. Select Advanced tab under the Performance, select Settings. Select Advanced tab under the Virtual Memory, select Change. You just need to uncheck this option guys. Automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And then in this drive list, you just need to select a C drive. And if you set this to no paging file, then select this to custom size. Now you need to know how much RAM installed on your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. As you can see, in my case, 16 GB of RAM installed in my PC. After checking that, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for these values used in my video. Just to copy and paste it depending on how much RAM installed on your PC. Just paste over here in the installer size. And the maximum size, copy the value depending on how much RAM you have. Paste it in the maximum size. After that, select set. And the value should be listed under the paging file size. And after that, click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the freezing problem in Valorant. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.